I'm shooting.
Don't walk in front of the minigun. I'm about to get lit up.
You want to turn around or face it? Think of Airsoft.
No. Make sure you're recording this.
Make sure you record.
Really quick. Go. Do it. Do it. All right. Come on, just unload on it. Woo! Ow!
Can the speed softers keep up with us?
Let's find out. Let's try it. I want to get this minigun.
Hey, sir, you want to move?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why are you blocking me? Why'd you do that?
I dropped my hat. Don't do that. Hit. Lob shot.
Let's go. Let's go.
No. You have to touch this corner, though. Oh. Excuse me. Where are they? Hit! Got him. I don't have the luxury of ammo.
Move up!
Hit! Look, Chandler, a Krytac Kriss Vector. That way you can tag it in the video and get more views. I'm talking to the camera right now.
Hi, camera.
So, like and subscribe to Dicka Airsoft.
Okay.
You get to see yourself on camera.
Hello there.
Hey, sir.
How you been, Adam?
Good, how about you?
I like your push right there.
Thank you. If more people followed me, we would have been decent.
The guy to the left of me paused and then got in my way.
At the beginning run, literally a kid went like this, blocking me from running past him.
Fun.
Ready to push? Come on! Let's push! That hit me right in the dick. Looks like you did it dead. That thing is sexy. I'm giving covering fire. People aren't using it.
There's someone peeking that little
Oh no, that's our guy. That's our guy.
looking the other way, our way. Way down there?
No, that's not our guy.
See that pistol in the hut?
Yep. Hi.
Okay, there's 3 in the slant, right by the big bunker, and a one is our way.
Let's go!
Holy fuck.
Oh, we're moving up. Hit!
Sitting by that shack.
Scared the shit out of them. Suppress switch. 1 second. What? Shoot at it fast. Fine. Wait. Let me move to you real fast. Oh, I see him. Ready? Move up to this side of the boat. Ready? Go. Whoa. No, watch out, watch out! Oh, we got...
Tell me when to go. Hey.
I don't know who's in the boat and who's on the right-hand side.
Nobody's in the boat.
Like and subscribe to Dick Airsoft. Sorry to plug myself in your video. Go, go! Hit!
Same. Dude, did you, when you rounded that corner, did you see like that one like chest
line of guys?
Like, everyone.
Yeah. I was like, I have semi and I am fucked. Hey, goggles on, goggles on, goggles on, now. That was bad hop, sorry. I need adjusted higher. Oh shit, hit. Watch out. Right.
They're all over there, all on one side of the building.
Alright, I'm just gonna
my head as soon as you pop up.
I realize I'm hitting the side of this thing.
I got propane like this to hit my gun.
Well, I know Pew.
It's thick.
That guy's dead. Hey, all of you guys here, if I really cover you guys, can you push up?
Yeah, John? Yeah? Yeah? Can I finish this?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You got him?
The guys were by the tree over here, and I keep getting headshots over by the area because they keep poking their heads out.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to put the fuck in.
Oh.
I'm gonna like pop out mid gas. Okay, wait, we almost have our full team discharged. You need one? Our full group.
Was John not hit? Oh well, okay.
What are we doing?
So, I know you guys will take like advantage of the covering fire I give, so follow me.
No, I won't, because I've seen the covering fire you give.
Following me? Follow me?
Following you, I'm not fucking...
Come on, Barbans, let's go! Push now!
Oh, damn it.
No! everybody, Chandler from Dick here. Just a few facts about the Microgun before we end the video. 1, weighs in at like 7 or 8 pounds, super lightweight, very usable. 2, goes through ammo like a mofo. It has a 2300 round capacity, but using .25s, it can fling those BBs pretty far. Mind you, Adam had not adjusted the hop-ups at all in this video, and we still need to do that. The hop-up adjustment is a pain in the ass, being that it does have 4 barrels, but they are all AEG barrels, so you can still upgrade it. It sprays BBs everywhere, which is why I refuse to go in front of him, just because it literally is just like a proximity angled thing. It's ridiculous. If you're thinking about getting one, it is HPA or green gas, so it's very nice in that way. He was running around 40 PSI, I want to say. That's what he was telling me, and he could go up to like 120, so he's running it really low because... yeah. Anyways, so if you want to get one, I say go for it. We still haven't done any like durability testing on it because, well, we just got it. So durability testing comes in like over the courses of months. So keep updated. We have lots of videos coming towards you. We have one video of a product review that you guys have probably never heard of. It's called Elder BB. Basically, they're a BB company, and I really have enjoyed their product so far, and I'm going to give them a very honest review coming up here either Thursday or Friday. So subscribe, stay tuned to that. Also, to all the new subscribers, you guys are flooding in. Thank you so much for joining us. I think it was all the iShop video. So yeah, wear your protection, eye gouges. I don't know why people keep on taking off their face masks. Like, why do people do that? Stop. And yeah, thank you very much. I'm Chandler from Dicka, signing off.